Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Don't let your family's dreams be just dreams. Make them a reality by building wealth online. You can do this, and I'm going to show you the proven strategies, the proven process that I found that can get you there. If you plug in, it has a possibility of getting you there in 90, but if it takes you a year to get there, is that going to really matter? So again, stop living paycheck to paycheck. Let's get into it right now. And I want to talk to you about this proven process that I have found that is a game changer, and some of the main points of it and why it's a game changer. It's digital products. Okay, digital products are e-learning products teaching you, this particular platform teaches you how to market anything online. Anything from women's clothing to cars to real estate to an online affiliate program to creating your own affiliate program. This teaches you how to market anything online, okay? But it also, if you don't have a product market, it also gives you 4 income streams from this. And why this is a game changer, it's because it's digital marketing, it's e-learning, like I said, at its best. It's a product that's in high demand, you need that, and it pays 100% profits. So you're earning high commissions. It has 4 different streams of income, okay? You can come in at any 4 places that it has. Our best-selling income stream is the $900 product. Okay, it's amazing. It sold over $10 million worth of that product. And I think it was 85 days or so. Okay, and here are some of the high points besides it being the product in high demand. Right now, the digital e-learning sector is spending $1.2 billion a day. And by 2027, they're expecting it to get to $3 billion a day being spent on the e-learning sector. It's in high demand because you learn when you want and you learn at your own speed. Okay? This is a game changer. Just look at what happened when COVID hit. It just exploded this, okay? And stop living paycheck by paycheck. This changes things so that you can finally either replace that, replace your income, replace your job type income, okay, if you plug into this process. It's a 2-hour workday process, okay? So first, some of the high points in here is there's no monthly fees, okay? It's not expensive. It's a one-time cost. You come in where you fit in, okay? And when you come in at the $900 program, which is our best-selling program, you also qualify to earn from the $600 program, the $300 program, and the $100 program. Okay? So it is, you can see just from that, the potential of earning is incredible with this, okay? High commissions. Okay, you don't just earn 25% of an affiliate product where you're getting $10. Okay, you get $100 or $300 or $600 or $900. So one-time cost, you can break it down to a couple monthly payments if you want to make it easier on you. You get 100% free access to an automated machine that does the selling and telling for you. Okay, this teaches you how to produce content to reach your targeted audience, so your content is there advertising for you after you've gone offline, after you're spending time with your family. Okay, so your content does the marketing. It shows you how to reach your target audience, and then your automated system. You direct everybody to your automated system that does the selling and telling for you, where people get to know you better. And people will learn to know, like, and trust you. And people that know, like, and trust you will purchase from you. Okay? You get daily pay with this. There's no middleman. It goes straight to your bank account. Okay? Straight to Stripe, straight to PayPal, and to your bank account. Okay? Only working a few hours a day. Right now, if you're working a job, you are killing yourself to try and make ends meet. And there is no job security in that, my friend. There is no job security. If you look at your retirement, if you have any retirement, you need something that's going to be a game changer for you and for your family, so you can have time with your family. Okay? It has simple steps to follow that many of us are having success online with this. I've earned over $3,400 in a little over a month doing this. Okay? I'm a grandma. I'm 59 years old. I have 3 granddaughters. Okay? One of the reasons I got into this is because I need to buy a car so I can help drive my youngest granddaughter back and forth to preschool. So that is one of the reasons that I need it, besides just wanting more time, more freedom to take vacations and to do things with my families. Kids are young and they're grown, and before you know it, they're gone out of the house. And before you know it, they're having babies and they have families of their own. And then they don't have time to come back and spend with you. And you don't have the money to go and visit. Stop this cycle. Stop this rat race that we're stuck in. Okay? Follow the simple steps. You need to be coachable. You need to do a 2-hour workday, and you need to do it consistently every day. If you can plug in, if you can be coachable, follow what our million-dollar mentor is teaching us and training us. Yes, this is personal, step by step. They hold you by the hand and train you if you're willing. It is as simple as doing videos. Do 3 pieces of content a day, post it, and you're done. But you need to find your targeted audience and craft your message. You do that, and you can sell anything online, absolutely anything. And the amount of your income is infinite. It's just, are you willing to plug in, my friend? Listen to me. Just plug in, okay? This is mentoring, like I said, the coachable. Take you step by step, hand by hand. Everything has video training to it, okay? It's rejection free, because everyone that is interested, you send to your automations, you send to your business automations. It does the selling and telling for you. If the people like it and they connect and they see not just the potential but the reality of what this offers, they make a purchase. If they don't, if they want to continue in the same rat race and the same cycle that they're stuck in, then they just unsubscribe and continue doing what you're doing. Okay? Maybe you're fine with it. Maybe you like your job. God bless you. Okay? That's great. But if you're not happy, if you want more time with your family, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of being a grandparent that can't get to your grandkids to spend enough time, if you're worried about how am I going to get that car to pay for my grandkids so they can go to, so you can take them to preschool, so you can take them to school, to college. This is the answer. Okay? No tech skills required. I am not a techie person, believe me. If I needed to do any tech with this would not be a possibility for me. This is, you follow steps, it's plug and play, it's like paint by numbers. You click this and copy and paste that there, and it's like painting by numbers with this to get your automation set up for you. You have access to a 6-figure blueprint in 6 months. Training step by step. Every day there's a new video. There's training on mindset. There's training on branding yourself. There's training on crafting your perfect message, finding your perfect audience. There's training, like I said, on mindset. If you have stinking thinking, you're not going to be successful, period. Okay? If you have stinking thinking, you won't make a penny. And if you haven't, that very well could be why you haven't. Okay, you got to break through that, because this has everything you need to be successful. It has 100% product, 100% profit. It's a product that's in high demand. It has automations with it to free your time up. It has a 2-hour workday where you post 3 pieces of content a day, and then you go about your business. And the 3 pieces of content, as you're building, if you look at a whole month, you have 90 pieces of content, 90 videos on there advertising for you. You think about 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, all those videos are out there still advertising for you. There's YouTube, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's LinkedIn. There's so many different places to advertise. There is no reason why you should not be successful. Okay? And you have the 6-hour blueprint. If you make just $300 a day, it's $109,500 a year. And this blueprint shows you how to do $900 a day, which is over $328,000 a year. It has a blueprint of a 2-hour workday and how to do 6 figures in 6 months. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Don't let your family's dreams just be dreams. Unlock reoccurring wealth and endless memories with your family by getting this process. Click the link below. It's carolcashdaily.com. Make sure you have the www in front of it. Opt into it. Get the information. Watch the videos. It doesn't cost you a penny to learn more. Okay? And then if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you're ready to get a proven system that we have a community of 25,000 people in this. We've had over 20 people that have made 6 figures in 6 months using this proven process. Many of them didn't have any following or any email list to begin with. Okay? This is rejection-free, no tech skills needed, high commissions, 100% profit. This is a proven step-by-step system. You don't have to make this up. You don't have to do anything. And it gives you the marketing skills of how to market anything online. And it even goes deeper inside. If you want reoccurring commissions, if you want more, if you want to set up your own affiliate program, it shows you how to do that. Okay? But first, don't even worry about that. Just do this so that you can stop living paycheck to paycheck today.